Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the best brokers for Metatrader 5. So choosing the best broker for Metatrader 5 involves considering several key factors such as reliability, fees, trading instrument, and user experiences. Now here's a concise overview to help you make an informed decision. Now choosing a regulated brokers, ensure that the broker is regulated by a reputable financial authorities such as FCA UK, CYSEC, Cyprus, and ASIC, that is Australia, or others. You could also look for a broker offering strong security features including encryptions and two-factor authentication. Likewise, compare the spread and commission to ensure they're competitive. You could check the leverage ratio offered and ensure they align with your risk tolerance and trading strategies. Fast and reliable executions is crucial for successful trading. Likewise, a good broker should offer a wide variety of trading instruments including forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Now, accessing to various markets can enhance your trading opportunities. So, MetaTrader 5 should be easy to navigate with advanced charting tools, indicators, and automated trading options. Now, you could also use a mobile and a web version that is available on both of these applications. So, the top brokers for MetaTrader include IC Market, that is regulation ASIC or CYSE. That is, the positive impact of this is a low spread, fast execution, extensive range of instrument. And Pepperstone is another that also comes with a competitive pricing, strong customer support, robust trading infrastructures. And next is XM. It is a flexible account type, excellent customer service, good executive speed. Now, selecting the best broker for MT5 ultimately depends on your specific need and trading style. Evaluate these factors carefully to find the brokers that best aligns with your trading objectives. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.